Hi guys, today I will some discuss about this module. This is an 5-volt DC relay module. This module can use very conveniently. It has 4 input pins. First pin is VCC. This pin is for providing 5 volt and ground for providing 5 volt, and this one in 1 and in 2. In 1 pins connect to this relay, and in 2 pins connect to this relay, this right side relay. In 1 connects left side relay. In 1 and in 2 pins are as it the active low type pins. Means when you connect the ground and in 1 or into shorted, the relay are active, and this is the status LED of the module. This is the status LED for left relay, and this is the status LED for right relay, and this is the output AC option for output. This is the anode, means the normal open terminal. This is the common terminal, and this is the NC1 terminal, as it was thus with the same relay. And there is the octocoupler system. This tool is called the octocoupler. It is used to isolate the relay from the input and output section using a light, a IR light. This octocoupler have a IR LED light in it and a phototransistor. So when the IR LED emitting the light, and it receives the phototransistor, then the relay will activate. So this octocoupler performs a protection for this relay module. And this is the power options for the relay. This is called the JDVCC. I am showing this. This is the N jumper. So this is called the JDVCC relay, JDVCC, and this is the VCC pins, and this is the ground pins. So this is the JDVCC pins and ground pins. When shorted, the VCC and ground, the 5 volt supply is used for powering 2 units. One unit, this octocoupler unit, and the second one is the relay unit. When you connect an high power supply, you can short these pins, JDVCC and VCC, using these jumpers. Let's like this it is the sorted. And when you use the low ampere type voltage, then you use a high ampere 5 volt supply for connecting the relay with the high voltage supply, and a low ampere 5 volt power supply for this octocoupler. So I repeat it. For low voltage system, use a high ampere 5 volt supply for the relay, and a low ampere 5 volt supply for the octocoupler. So that's it. And this is the transistor, for switching the relay. These are SMD transistors, and this is the diodes. This is the diodes for the this is called the flyback diodes. For when the relay is off, there is a high voltage backflow supply is on the pin. So if the diode is not in there, the in 1 and in 2 pins which connected to or modules, the module will burn. The module will burn. So it protects the relay and also protects our other modules to connect it from relay. It protects it. And this is the output. I am showing the PCB of it. Is the back side of the PCB. So this is the one. There is the 2 resistors one resistor is for triggering the transistors and one resistor is for the LED. So this module is used for automation, where you can use for the touch sensor, connect it to the relay module, and then you can just touch on and off, and then the lights will on and off, or the fan or any AC load all on and off with your single touch. As it can use for the ESP32 home automation, for when you send command via Google or Alexa, then your command based the alternative appliances will be on. And also it can be used for Bluetooth switchboard, for when you send a command for the relay, for the Arduino send a signal, send a active low type signal, and the relay turns on, and your appliances will turn on respectively to the commands. So it is the full video of the relay module. So if you want to know or any something, please visit my channel and message me on Instagram. Free